Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to recycle and reuse your food containers for seed sowing or for seedlings. Either one is good. First of all, here I've got this butterfly cake tin packet. It's got 6, but the best thing about this, it's got a lid on it, so you can treat it like a little propagator. Keep the moisture in and it will really help your seed germinate quickly. Same with this. This is a curry container, been washed, sterilised, lid on that one as well. You can use a pop bottle. You can do 2 things with this. You can either cut it there, put some holes in the bottom, and then grow some plants in it that way and hang it from the wall, or you can cut probably 2 inches by about 8 inches top there, rope round there, hang that from your ceiling in your kitchen and have some herbs growing in that. So probably make a video on how to do that next week. First of all, you need to do is put holes in the bottom of all these. If you don't do that, you're going to get waterlogged and everything's going to start rotting. So yeah, you want to get some holes in the bottom of each one of these. You can sometimes, if you've got a sharp knitting needle, anything like that, you can heat it on your gas stove, get it warm and just melt holes in the bottom. But I've got these sharp secateurs, so just be gentle with it. You don't want to cut yourself. So 6 holes should be fine for this. You don't want to make too many holes and make the container weak. So that's 6 in there. Here, just 1 in the bottom of each one of these will be fine. It is quite thin, this plastic here, but just back and forwards. And this one, I'll show you what you can do with this one. Here, this is thicker plastic, so it's a lot better, this one. Be careful, you don't want to cut yourself. That's it. On the other side. Nice and gentle. That should be fine for that. 2 nice holes there. So once you've got your holes in, I'm using a mixture of perlite and compost, peat-based compost. All you need to do then, from each one of the sections to the top, tap it down. You don't want any where your hinges are going to be, any around the edge, because that's how you're going to seal it. And don't forget, when you seal this, as soon as they start germinating, open the top. This has already been damped down, this compost. I've already sprayed a little bit of water in my little watering can. I'll put this pop bottle out of the way now. Come back to that next week. So yeah, I'm going to be sowing these Zinnias. These are from 2010. Wow. So I hope they're going to germinate, fingers crossed. If they don't, they don't. It's not the end of the world. Just a little experiment. It says there, sow indoors, blow out windowsill, keep in trays, compost, temperature 15 to 20, ideal moist. So in Europe here, 12 to 21 days. So 1/4 inch deep. So what I'll do with these, I'll sow them and then just put a little bit of compost on top, sprinkle it on top. I hope everybody's having a good Sunday today. They're the ones that are left. You can just see those there. Just there. Yeah, got that. So there'll just be enough just to do this little container, which would be great. Just sprinkle a few each one. And hopefully we'll get some nice Zinnias out of that. All I'll do with that is just take a little bit of excess, just rub it into your hands, just over, and then this does not have to go in my watering tray to get soaked, because it's got a lid on it. All I have to do then is just clean the edge like so, and it should click into place, and that is it. We have got ourselves a little propagating container.